Okay, everybody, we're shifting gears here, getting outside. Beautiful day here. A little cloudy.
Doesn't it always?
It's awesome.
It doesn't rain.
And we're
on my
talking about the
parade.
Lifestyle Garage.
Yeah, so if you're into the Jeeps and you don't know, you like to be that individual, where you want it to look different than everybody else's,
Yeah.
this is the guy right here.
Yeah, is that it? All right.
Tony, how you doing, buddy?
Good. Thank you.
So was that kind of the concept of Lifestyle Garage? You just wanted to do it differently than the rest of the world?
Well, we've been building trucks for about 30 years, and yes, we
Yeah.
kind of give a different image, and we figure every vehicle has a purpose and every driver a lifestyle. So we've kind of compiled daily drivers, fleet service, and then unique vehicles,
Yeah.
and it's
Well,
one
the
of
thing
those.
I like is I was at Barrett, and there are so many Jeeps with the same front end.
Yep.
It's like they must have ran a sale on this one front end on a Jeep.
Yeah.
You don't do that. You've got one here, and I have not seen this style. Was it the VJ?
That's a brand that
Right.
that builds some cool front
But I
ends and
just say,
aftermarket parts. Yeah.
I haven't seen that one,
Yeah.
and the hood. I've never seen the hood.
Yeah, it's definitely a unique rig. This is a good friend of mine, Tim Melville with Ironman Enterprises. Been in business for about 30 years. He has a fleet that we service,
Okay.
and then we build unique vehicles for him. Have been for about 20 years. So he does grading, engineering, and things like that. And
He
likes his
has to
stuff
go
badass.
off-road with it,
Yep.
right?
He uses this to get where he needs to. Yep.
Yeah. So how long have you had it?
I've had it about 6 years.
All right. Oh wow, you keep it a long time, huh?
Yeah, well,
And you don't sell them; you just add them to your collection.
I do sell a lot of stuff, but I keep my Jeeps.
That's.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, just add it to your collection.
Yeah.
And who are you?
I'm Tony's son. I'm also the assistant manager of Lifestyle Garage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you.
So Maverick, yeah.
Maverick, I like that.
Yeah.
Why does he chuckle when you
I
say
don't know.
that? I don't know. You've probably been laughing about that ever since he got you out there.
Yeah.
All right, who's this gentleman over here? Another Rubiconer. How you doing, buddy?
Good. How are you, John?
Don't you love that 392?
I do.
Yeah, I
It
know.
sounds great every time you turn it on.
I know, and I don't care gas station to gas station. That's the only one I don't care about going to the
Right,
gas station.
right.
And then you do fleet, and I guess, look at you. And then the fleet is important because a fleet service business is totally different than a general repair business because fleet has to get in, has to get out. They don't have time for you to be messing around with their truck.
Yep.
If they had their way, they'd say have you open from 9 at night till 6 in the morning.
Yeah, that's it. For
And
sure.
that way, well, because they don't do any of their fleet work.
Yep,
What's your
yep.
website?
Lifestyle Garage EC.
All right. So if somebody wants to come in with a Jeep, you'll usually sit down and do the consultation and find out what it is they really want.
Absolutely.
And then most likely you can make it happen.
Yep, we'll make it happen.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
I like that we'll make it happen. We ought to do your Beamer.
Yeah.
We could lift it. We could put some big tires and wheels on it. Yeah.
Can I have a roll bar?
Yeah, we'll put roll bars in it.
Some of those KC lights?
I was just over the shop the other guy. He did it to a Porsche 911.
He did?
Totally caged it, but on the outside.
Really?
Yeah.
Did he lift it?
Yeah, super lift, big monster tires, and mud, but it's a two-wheel drive Porsche 911 Targa. I mean, it's not even a coupe, but I guess he was telling me, he says, the Targas aren't that, valuable,
Yeah.
so it was fun to do.
Wow.
All right, Lifestyle Garage.
These
Fun.
are great, man.
Can't wait to see you out on the road. And you do Broncos too? Got a whole lineup for them?
Yep. That's another part of what we're trying to introduce into our lineup of customizing is the Bronco.
I would too. It's hot.
Yes,
Yeah, you see a lot of these
That's
on
the
the
newest
road.
addition. We call her stepsister because my wife owns a Jeep and I own a Jeep, and now my wife got a Bronco, so that's the
Oh,
stepsister.
so that's a stepsister.
Yep.
Yeah, I wouldn't say that too loud. Your wife might hear you.
Yeah, no, that's who named her.
Ah, okay.
Lifestyle
All right.
Garage.
We got to go to
Awesome.
break.
Yeah, we do. We'll be
Let's
right
do
back
it.
with more Good Morning San Diego.